doing a first wash cleaning in many years. Sit! Ajde peremo auto. So, enjoy! So we will see right now, after cleaning, what's the real condition of this car outside. First of all, I'm doing wheel cleaning and detailing. Whole car have a new look after wheel detailing, but let's clean this up and see what's the real situation about this car of his interior. Let's go. We already know that I have to do headlights anyway, so that's the one of things I should do, and this must be black. I think this should be black too. I'm not sure, but I'm sure about this. We are going to repaint that, and I must see about that. What you think? Do you know, is this OEM black or in car color? Tell me in comments below. Let's keep up. I finished washing left side and top of a car, and I can say headlights must be finished, repaired. Front bump, I'm sure this is not in the car color, it's a black, but I must check that up. If you know, comments below. Plastics on the front bumper must be repaint. Hand lockers or whatever must be repainted. So that's it so far. I must turn car around so I can clean another side. Be right back. Big difference, right? So this side is left to wash out. I'm going to do that. Next is deep cleaning and interior detailing. We have leather seats and interior. We are going to detailing that, and after that we are keep going to resurrect this car. So if you like this type of content, consider subscribing, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.